Hey guys, Glockster42. Well, here we have Takoms, or Takom. Takom? Takom? Takom. We'll go with Takom, T14 Armata. Now I got it painted up in a desert scheme. I am eventually going to get this into a diorama, but I've been thinking about it for the longest time, and I said, to hell with it. Now the colors are all done up in Meng colors, not Meng, sorry, MiG ammo colors from their modern Russian line, done up in sort of a something that you might see in Syria or the Middle East. Fairly, not too heavily weathered, but weathered up enough to look reasonably mucky. It was a fun build other than the tracks. They kicked my ass all over the place. Check out the build video of it in the original video I did before I painted and weathered it. But no, I'm kind of happy with the way the weathering and the paint turned out. We didn't do a lot of paint distressing, but we did do a lot of mud, dust, diesel spills, splashes and all that kind of stuff. Grease and muck and mire and all that about and about. So basically I just wanted to show, you know, something that is definitely seen action, but it's not beat to crap yet. But has definitely been out there. Lots of splashes, lots of muck, lots of dirt and grime and dust. So I really want to get this into a diorama. I've got an idea. Put it in Syria, modern day, and then maybe the next few years once these T14s get more in service. I'm going to have a lot of time here. I'm going in for surgery tomorrow, and I'll be off another minimum 12 to 18 weeks, maybe up to 24 weeks, another 6 months. Oh my God. Yeah, bone graft tomorrow on the leg, and 6 weeks in a cast, 6 weeks in an air cast, and probably another 6 weeks of physio, and then hopefully you don't have to chop my leg off and I can get back to work. So there we have the T14 in a desert scheme, guys. Zvezda does a T14, but I haven't been able to find one at a reasonable price yet. There is some from Europe. I'll probably, once I get caught up on kits, I'll probably go with that and build another one. I really like the looks of these tanks, and once they get operational, you can really do some cool stuff with them. So there you go. There you have it, guys. T14 Armata in desert service. Let's say Syria 2019. Later, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.